Okay guys, welcome back. So this is the very first question in your book. And we're going to do 1 to 8. We might do 1 to 9, 1 to 10 even, from exercises 1.1. So just clear the calculator. We're going to factorize 36. Now you must put that in memory and get to this yellow fact by using the second function. Now we have a whole load of them to do, so what I'm just going to do is motor on through them and then we'll toggle back through all our answers. But you might obviously write that down. Now notice that both bases are squared, so you could do the product of the bases there and you'd get 6 squared is 36. So any composite number squared will be the square of its individual components. Okay, the next number is 84. You can't see that on my screen. I do not need to clear the previous answer, but I do need to put that in memory here. So I'm going to speed things up now because you do want to get through your homework and your revision quite quickly. So I'm going to go 120 equals factorize 144 equals factorize. Of course that's 12 squared, so we expect, and you see the power of 2 is double, but I'm going to speed things up and not bore you now. 96 equals factorize, and you want to get some rhythm going with what you're saying in your head, so that you can have the procedural fluency on this. 162 is next. I'll go for the 162. Make sure you get it there. Look at it there in the bottom right corner. If it's not there, it's no good. Okay, 216. You get the idea now. And 288. Now what I want to show you is I neglected to write any of them down. And you can talk. Oh, you can't, okay. Well, you live and learn, okay. So it's not showing me. This is an interesting one, okay. So say if you've done a calculation, it'll already be here. And any answer you've got, and it's quite an intuitive thing to do, and we'll probably find as we revise algebra that's something we might strategically do. Okay, that gives the factors there. Thank you. That's just over 2 minutes, nearly 3 minute video. I hope you learned a lot from that. Oh yeah, sorry. I'll pause that, and then I'm going to do question 9 then, where you're finding, because there's a trick to get the highest common factor using your calculator. So I'll do that next.